Today we'll be guiding you how to disable background audio on Brave browser. For that, you have to open the Brave browser and open any application on that browser. After you open, you have to tap on three dots at the bottom right corner of the screen. And now scroll down and tap on settings here. Scroll again. And under display, you can find out the media option. Tap on media. And now you have to toggle off this background play. So your changes will take effect the next time you relaunch Brave. So let's tap on relaunch now. So here it is notified to improve your privacy, said Brave as your default browser. If you want, then you can click on next, otherwise tap on the cancel. And now if you play any audio on Brave browser, then it won't be played on the background because you have already toggled off the background play, and now it has been disabled on the Brave browser. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you are new. Press the notification bell for more updates from this channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.